everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my winged eyeliner. I have small eyelid space and I have a double eyelid, so this is how I do my winged eyeliner for those of you who have the same eye shape as me. I already did it on this eye and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it on this eye. And I didn't put on lashes yet, so that you guys could really see the wing. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following me on all of my social medias, which will be on the screen and linked in the description box as always. And subscribe for more videos like these. My sister brought this home for me in New York, and I'm not really a BTS fan, but she went to the store and she thought this was cute. I don't want to blind you guys, but there's a mirror on the other side. So I hold my mirror under my face and I look down, and I start by taking the eyeliner pen and I just draw across my whole entire eyelid. I draw a thin line. After drawing the line, I go over it and fill in, and I use my eyebrow as the guideline. So I'm going to line it up with the end of my eyebrow and just create the wing. I'm going to draw a triangle shape back to my inner corner. After drawing the triangle and bringing it back, I like to color in wherever I haven't colored already, especially the triangle. You have to color in the triangle. Some days my eyeliner comes out differently on both eyes. One is too thick, but I think both of them are pretty even today. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Lancome Once You're Big mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever because of the huge wand and how much volume and length it adds to my eyelashes. I will say that eyeliner takes a lot of practice. So practice makes perfect, and if you can't get your eyeliner right, just keep trying and trying. So now I'm going to be putting on fake eyelashes, and for falsies today I'm going to be using House of Lashes Boudoir Mini. Whenever applying lashes, you want to make sure that the glue gets tacky before you apply it onto your eyeliner or lash line. And now I'm going to apply my eyelash to the other eye. And by the way, I find that using eyeliner pens or felt tip eyeliner pens like these ones work the best if you're a beginner because it makes it really easy. You always have the right amount of product on the tip already for you to draw a precise line. I've tried many different eyeliner forms, and this one I always go back to because it's the easiest for me and quickest. There are also drugstore alternatives to this Stila felt tip eyeliner pen, and I will link them in the description box. So that is how I do my winged eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on how to do winged eyeliner for small Asian eyes like mine. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!
Showing off, but it's alright. And you're showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life.